Hey folks, welcome to our channel. Ever felt the urge to solve a Rubik's Cube but didn't know where to start? Maybe you've picked one up, twisted it around and felt completely lost? Well, I've got you covered. Today we're going to break it down into easy, manageable steps. By the end of this video, you'll be able to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube using a straightforward algorithm that anyone can master. Let's dive in and get started. First, let's talk about the cube's anatomy. Understanding the parts of the cube is crucial. You've got centers, edges, and corners. The center pieces are fixed and determine the color of each face. To make things simpler, moves are denoted by letters. R for the right face, L for left, U for up, D for down, F for front, and B for back. These notations will guide you through the algorithms. When you see an apostrophe like R, it means a counterclockwise 90-degree turn. Easy, right? This notation is essential for following the steps accurately. Now take a moment to practice these basic rotations. Familiarize yourself with how each move feels. Try R, then L, then U. Practice these until you can do them without thinking. Get comfortable with these until they're second nature. This will make the solving process much smoother. Okay, now on to the exciting part, solving the cube. This is where the fun begins. We'll do this in 7 stages. 1. The white daisy 2, bottom corners 3, middle layer edges 4, yellow cross. Each stage builds on the previous one. 1. Orient top layer edges. This step ensures the top layer edges are correctly aligned. 1. Position top layer corners. Getting the corners in the right place is crucial for the final solve. 1. Orient top layer corners. This final step will complete the cube. Stage 1. The white daisy. This one's intuitive. It's a great way to start. Create a white daisy pattern on one face by aligning the white edges with their center pieces. This sets the foundation for the next steps. Rotate the daisy to align white edges with center pieces. Make sure each white edge matches the centerpiece of the same color. Repeat for the remaining white edges. This might take a bit of practice, but you'll get the hang of it. Next, stage 2, bottom corners. This step is all about positioning the white corner pieces. You're going to place the white corner pieces correctly relative to the center pieces. This ensures the bottom layer is solved. Use a simple algorithm to position them. This algorithm is easy to remember and will help you place the corners accurately. Stage 3, middle layer edges. This step involves aligning the middle layer edge pieces. Here you'll align the middle layer edge pieces with their corresponding center pieces using another algorithm. This step is crucial for the cube's overall structure. Moving on to stage 4, the yellow cross. This step focuses on the top face. With an algorithm, create a yellow cross on the top face. This sets up the final stages of the solve. Stage 5, orient top edges. This step ensures the top layer edges are correctly oriented. Use an algorithm to orient the top layer's yellow edges so they match the adjacent center pieces. This step is key for the final solve. Stage 6, position top corners. This step involves getting the corners in the right place. Now position the yellow corners in their correct locations using, you guessed it, another algorithm. This step is crucial for the final solve. Finally, stage 7, orient top corners. This is the last step to complete the cube. Orient the yellow corners correctly to complete the cube. This final step will bring everything together. And there you have it, a solved Rubik's Cube in just 7 simple steps. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the faster and more efficient you'll become. If you've got your own tips or tricks, drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you and learn new techniques. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy tutorials. Happy cubing! See you in the next video.